welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking this old, beat-up vintage dresser and giving it a much-needed makeover. When we're finished, it should be looking just like this, brand new, Gothic, and beautiful. So first I need to empty the drawers out. And yes, I do have quite a bit of incense. Alright, out to the next drawer. Next is the candles. I have a lot of these as well. And finally, my little miscellaneous jars and trinkets. So after cleaning out the drawers and removing them, I'm going to give them a very generous coating of matte black spray paint. And the reason I decided not to sand the dresser first is primarily because I cannot afford a sander right now, but with a protective finish after I'm done painting, there won't be much difference. It will still look amazing and will last. Honestly, the next time I do a project like this, I'm probably just going to use brush-on latex paint, because I went through so many cans of spray paint doing this project, it was extremely expensive. So next time I'm just going to use a good old-fashioned can of latex paint. I'm going to do the exact same thing I did to the drawers onto the dresser itself. Alright, time skip. So while my roommate is finishing up the spray paint on the sides, I went ahead and started the red trim. And time skip again, once we finished all of that, this is the final product. I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out. And check our description for a bunch of cool links.